With a water crisis and election day behind us, here's what's going on at Carolina right now. Operations at UNC have returned to normal following a water line break in Carborough. The Orange County Water and Sewer Authority, known as OWASA, has lifted its boil water advisory for nearly all of the area. There is only a group of about 25 customers in Carborough that are still under the advisory. They have been notified directly. Otherwise, water storage levels have been restored and customers can resume normal use. Classes have also resumed today after being canceled for the past 2 days. Large voter turnout and issues with voting machines resulted in long lines across the state of North Carolina on Election Day. Machines in counties like Wake and Cumberland had issues reading ballots, resulting in ballots being stored in emergency bins. In the Charlotte area, many students showed up to polls without being properly registered to vote, causing backups and frustration from voters. After Tuesday's elections, Democrats have taken control of the House with a record number of women. Republicans maintain control of the Senate. For both state and congressional races in North Carolina, incumbents reign supreme. In District 4, which includes Orange County, incumbent Democrat David Price won re-election with 72% of the vote. North Carolina's 9th district is still too close to call, with Republican Mark Harris maintaining a small lead over Democrat Dan McCready. North Carolina voters passed 4 new amendments yesterday, while 2 others failed. Changes to the NC Constitution include the right to hunt and fish, as well as a reduced state income tax cap, changing from 10% to 7%. Victims of crime can expect more protections as 7 more rights were added to the already established 8. North Carolina voters will now have to show photo identification at polling places as a result. New laws will now have to define what constitutes a valid form of ID. Voters attempted to change how a judiciary vacancy was filled. However, the power remains with the governor as the amendment failed to pass. The 2017 North Carolina Supreme Court decision declaring it unconstitutional for the legislature to select board members remains, as the proposed amendment to give legislature this right did not pass. That's what's going on in Carolina right now. Be sure to follow us on our other social media. And if you see something you'd like us to cover, tag us.